Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect, the page couldn't be loaded, try again later issue on App Store in iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to open your App Store, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check this and turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below, tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.